confidently manage your money and outsmart fraudsters by mastering your NatWest Card Reader security capabilities. First, when prompted by the NatWest online banking service to authorize a transaction, you'll need your card reader and your NatWest debit or credit card. Gently insert your card into the card reader. Make sure it's the correct way up, aligning the chip with the reader's slot. The card reader will then immediately ask you to enter your PIN. Type in your 4-digit personal identification number carefully. Once your PIN is entered, press the green confirm button on the card reader. This verifies your identity. The card reader will then generate a unique, time-sensitive security code for that specific transaction. Now, look at your computer screen where the NatWest online banking session is active. You'll see a field asking for this security code. Type the code display on your card reader accurately into this field on your computer. After entering the code, press the confirm button on your computer screen to finalize the transaction. And that's it. Your NatWest Card Reader has securely authorized your online banking activity, adding a vital layer of protection to your account. By following these simple steps, you're actively safeguarding your finances against unauthorized access and enjoying peace of mind.